Capturing knowledge on Pete using Ask Me Anything. If you think about it, most companies are sitting on a gold mine of knowledge. The problem is that it lives inside people's heads, it's buried in files, or it's lost in meeting recordings, and no one goes back to this. Pete changes that. Let me show you how knowledge gets captured, built, and accessed inside Ask Me Anything. From an employee login page, from the dashboard, they can access Ask Me Anything at the top or at the bottom right of any page. This isn't just a search tool, it's a space where knowledge gets created and shared. An employee can ask a question and get an answer sourced directly from your documents already loaded into the system, which is relevant and accurate. But here's where it gets interesting. Employees can also contribute knowledge, not just consume it. Let's say you have a senior sales rep that has cracked the code on handling pricing objections. Instead of that insight staying locked inside their head or them having a one-on-one conversation, they can now document it here. So what they do is activate their microphone and record their insight. When a client pushes back on price, the most effective approach I found is to anchor that conversation back to the cost of inaction. I ask them, what does it cost your business not to solve this problem? 9 times out of 10, that reframes the conversation completely. And I try follow this with a specific example from their industry if I have one. Pete then records that insight and it logs that information so it can be accessed by other employees. Great, Pete has now captured it. That insight is now part of the company's living knowledge base. The next time any employee asks about handling pricing objections, the best practice surfaces alongside any supporting documents. The knowledge doesn't leave with the person, it stays within the system. That's Pete's Ask Me Anything in action. Knowledge is captured, organized, and made accessible, so the right information reaches the right person at the right time.